Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. This is a concise, well-crafted summary and it highlights only the important keywords. Pyloric stenosis. So this is nothing but the idiopathic, hypertrophic, pyloric stenosis. So there's a congenital hydrophic pyloric stenosis. So what is the IOC? The IOC, it includes ultrasound to see the muscular hypertrophy. Then there is to measure the thickness of the muscle layer of the pylorus. Next is the muscle should be it is greater than 4 mm, and if you look at the length of the pylorus, it is greater than the 16 mm. Next is the hydrochloremic, hypokalemic, metabolic alkalosis. So this is the paroxysmal aciduria. Next, when you look at the barium meal, what are the findings? There is a string sign which is seen in pyloric stenosis. The narrow pylorus goes into the duodenum. There is a mushroom sign, the caterpillar sign. The caterpillar sign is due to the persistent peristaltic waves. Next is the duodenal double or the triple track sign. So there is a double and a triple track sign which is seen. Next is there is a teat sign, the beak sign, the shoulder sign, and as well as the presence of the diamond sign. Next is the bubble sign. The bubble sign in the stomach with the air is known as the single bubble. The duodenal atresia is double bubble. Then when you look at the jejunum, it is triple bubble. And iliac atresia will be multiple bubble. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.